Welcome to Botier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to export your orders via CMS. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Botier email account. Then, in the home page, click Orders, Try New UI tab at the top of CMS. Firstly, we will be guiding you on how to export your filtered orders. Here, you can filter orders according to its time range and order status. Export order function is for your convenience to do any records on accounting. Once selected, click on Export Filtered Order. You'll direct to a summary of your export orders. Once confirmed, click on Download Now. Then, open your Excel file to check your exported orders with all the details. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Botier now on Google Play Store or App Store.